A while ago, we actually reviewed the Philips Hue starter kit, and today we have something even simpler and more affordable. This is the Xiaomi Yeelight, and we have a total of 3 of them. One I'm holding, one here and one more here. And today we are going to take a look at the whole ecosystem that Xiaomi has to offer when it comes to smart home lighting. Alright, when it comes to smart home lighting, the first thing that I want to address is the price. For the Philips Hue light bulbs, each of them is expensive and you need the hub to work with the light bulbs. For Xiaomi, however, each bulb only costs 99 ringgit and it connects through Wi-Fi, so you don't need any hubs and you can directly just connect to the internet with your light bulb and you can control anywhere you like. So the setup process is kind of simple. Of course, I've already set up all 3 of them. You just screw it in, turn it on, download the Yeelight app on your phone, sign in with your Xiaomi account and pair that light bulb to your account and you're done. That's where things get a little bit difficult after that. Once you pair the light bulbs, you have to download 2 different apps actually, Mi Home and also Yeelight. Because Yeelight is actually just a company or a series of products that is parked under the Mi Home itself. The Mi Home app is unable to perform all of the actions that you want, so you will need 2 separate apps. So from here, I will show you Mi Home first. So let me just tap into Mi Home. Of course, we have test bench left and right here. Test bench is this light bulb. It is actually meant for the one at that area. And then we have light, the left light and also the right light. So as you can see here, you can just press on this button to turn it off, turn it back on again. It does take a bit of time for it to respond because it's going through Wi-Fi. But Philips Hue, like what we've reviewed previously, it's instant because it's using a Zigbee protocol. So once you tap into the light bulb itself, you can see at the bottom there you have some simple buttons. You can select how white you want the light to be. So this is a bit more orange, yellow, this is pure white. And then you can go down to select the brightness. And then you can go into color, which does the same thing. Left and right to select your color, and then top and bottom to select your brightness. And then when you go to flow, this is where the real RGB color cycle comes in. It's fun, you can pick and choose your colors that you want. So it's a bit clunky actually, the UI. You only have 4 different colors actually at the bottom. So what you can do is select what starting color you want. So for example, I want this blue. Then the second, I don't want purple, I want red. Third one, I want green. Then the fourth one, I want to go to orange, I guess. And hit apply. So the color will cycle through, but the time interval is fixed and you will have to go through all 4 colors before you repeat the cycle again. So in terms of controls, it's quite limited, but at least it's there. And then you also have favorites, which you can just, automate everything, so you can have the light bulb to do what you want, wherever you want. But of course, we are reviewing this in a studio standpoint of view because we want some colors to spice up everything here. And that's pretty much what you can do for the Mi Home app. Secondly is the Yeelight app. This one is where you can do even more things. So for example, this is the home screen of that app itself. Again, we have 3 devices here, 3 light bulbs, test bench, left and right. And here we can also turn them off. And you can see at the bottom here, we have scenes. So I press cyan, I already set these 2 colors for this color, this brightness. And just one button, I can change these 2 to this color. So I can also press them both to become white straight away at full brightness. It's really bright. Turn off, and Gigabyte is something fun that I did, orange and green. Okay, so for example, if you want to add your own scenes, what you do is just press on that top right button there to add, and then you scroll down to select whatever icon you want. So for example, fireplace, I just call this as fireplace. Press OK. The right light bulb, I want it to turn on with a state and color, red, why not? It won't preview, I don't know why. So if I want to add the left one with a bit of a yellow hue to it, press save, done. So now I have the fireplace there, press on it, and then you change the colors right away. As you can see here, cyan, gigabyte, this is custom, and then fireplace, white and off. That's pretty handy, but only doable in the Yeelight app. Once again, the Mi Home app is very basic. If you want to do something more advanced, you need the Yeelight app. So here you can see that you can do more customizations, which is technically adding your own scenes, and then you also have another option to update the firmware on these light bulbs. I have already updated like once or twice. They are very fast compared to the Philips Hue light bulbs, and I'm not sure what changes it brings to the light bulbs once you updated the firmware, but it's there. And then you also have message center, nothing much, and integration. This is where things get a bit fun. You can even integrate them to Amazon Alexa, Google Home Assistant, IFTTT, Tasker, and even more tools. As far as I know, there are some apps that you can install on your PC and then they will communicate with the Yeelights, like you know, smart movie scenes where the light bulbs will flash according to what's on your screen. So that's pretty handy as well. And then here I have rooms. I have set living room for these two and then test bench for this one light bulb. So once again, I can control both lights together, brightness, and then turn them off together at once. Press on again, and then from here you can also customize your scenes for your rooms individually. That's what you can do. As for devices, this is where once again you can just control your lights individually, and that's a quick overview of the Yeelight itself. But because of how simple the app is, you can't really do much. I have integrated it to Google Home Assistant. This is what I have done. Good night.
There'll be thunderstorms with a high of 31 and a low of 24. Good night, Coke Key. It looks like the test bench isn't available right now.
Okay, so that's pretty much what you can do with the Yeelight itself. Of course, this is only a small part of what the Yeelight can do. If you are going to buy one of these, again, it's only 99 ringgit each, and you can just connect to your Wi-Fi and it works wherever you are. And there are even more developers. They are creating third-party apps for the Yeelight itself. So if you have time, you can venture around, try them out, experiment with them. Perhaps you will even buy more things like the light strip, not the light bulb, the light strip, and then maybe Mi Home rice cooker or whatever you want, because Xiaomi actually has those in the market already. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it about the Xiaomi Yeelight. Like this video if you like it, and subscribe for more.